Hi everyone, I'm Alex. Welcome back to Learn English in Real Life, the channel where you learn English by listening to real stories, useful conversations, and daily topics that matter. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications because I post new videos every single day to help you practice real English and real listening. Today, we're going to talk about something really important: how to stand up for yourself in English and in life. Have you ever walked away from a conversation and thought, I should have said something? Or maybe you agreed to do something you didn't want to, just to avoid conflict. If that sounds familiar, you are not alone. Many of us struggle with speaking up. It's not because we're weak or because we don't care. It's often because we don't know how to speak up in the right way. Being able to stand up for yourself doesn't mean being rude, loud, or angry. It means knowing your worth and expressing your needs clearly and calmly. It means saying yes when you want to and no when you need to. And most importantly, it means respecting yourself. Let me tell you a true story. A woman named Callie was feeling very sick one day. She went to the hospital, but the doctors told her it was just a migraine. She trusted them and went home. But her pain didn't go away. She knew something was wrong. So she went back to the hospital and asked very directly for a CT scan. She didn't shout. She didn't argue. She just said clearly, I need more tests. Please take me seriously. And guess what? The test showed she had a blood clot in her brain, a serious condition. Because she stood up for herself, she got the help she needed in time. This is the power of assertiveness. It's not about winning. It's not about controlling others. It's about protecting yourself, your needs, and your life. But let's be honest, it's not easy. Most of us were taught to be nice. We learned to avoid conflict, to stay quiet, to keep the peace. We learned that if we speak up, people might get angry or walk away. So we stay silent. We push our feelings down. And slowly we begin to lose confidence in ourselves. The truth is, being nice is not the same as being weak. And standing up for yourself does not make you a bad person. It makes you a person who respects your own boundaries. So how can we learn to do this? The first step is knowing what you need. That sounds simple, but it takes practice. Take a few minutes and ask yourself, what do I want in this situation? What do I need? What feels right or wrong to me? The second step is finding the right words. You don't need to use fancy language. Just speak honestly. For example, you can say, I feel uncomfortable when you talk to me like that. Or I need some time to think before I say yes. You don't have to explain everything or apologize for having needs. You are allowed to take up space. You are allowed to say how you feel. The third step is your body language. Stand tall. Look people in the eye. Use a calm voice. You don't have to yell to be heard. In fact, quiet confidence is one of the strongest tools you have. But maybe you're thinking, what if the other person doesn't like what I say? That's a fair question. The answer is, you can't control how others react. You can only control how you act. If you speak with respect and the other person still gets angry, that is their responsibility, not yours. It's also okay to take time before answering. If someone asks you something and you're unsure, you can say, let me think about that and get back to you. You don't need to give an answer right away. Taking time is a sign of strength, not weakness. If standing up for yourself feels scary, start small. Try it in simple situations. For example, tell the waiter if your food is cold. Ask a friend to speak more kindly to you. Say no when you're too tired to go out. Every time you practice, you get a little stronger. You teach your brain, my voice matters. And something beautiful happens when you do this. You begin to trust yourself. You feel more in control. You feel more alive. Now, I want to say something important. This journey isn't perfect. You will make mistakes. You might say the wrong thing. You might feel nervous. That's okay. The goal is not perfection. The goal is progress. Standing up for yourself doesn't mean you stop caring about others. It means you care about yourself too. It means you want relationships that are fair and healthy. It means you are ready to stop hiding and start showing up as the real you. So today, I challenge you to take one small step. Think of one place in your life where you have stayed quiet. Maybe it's at work, maybe it's with family, or maybe it's even with yourself. Now imagine what you would say if you truly believed in your worth. Then say it out loud, even if no one's around. Just start. You deserve to be heard. You deserve to be respected. You deserve to live a life that feels good and true to you. Thanks for watching Learn English in Real Life. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more daily content that helps you improve your English naturally. Remember, the more you listen, the more confident and fluent you become. I'm Alex, and I'll see you tomorrow with another real-life topic. Stay motivated and keep learning.